apple. A apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for dog.
E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for garden. G is for garden. G is for garden. H is for hat. H is for hat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for igloo made with ice. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. K is for kite. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lion. It's roaring. M is for moon. M is for moon. M is for moon. N is for nest. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. It is swimming. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. I am a queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. S is for sun. S is for sun. T is for train. T is for train. T is for train. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. It is raining. V is for violin. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for whale. W is for whale. X for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.
Are you Peter Pan? Say it up, language or